Hello everyone, this is Technifying Kenya. In this video I'm going to take you through our pharmacy POS. This is a POS created and designed specifically to run a pharmacy business or maybe a hospital. So this is the full source code. It's written in Visual Basic, VB.NET, and MySQL Server as the backend to hold the databases and everything. So let's start the application. So this is it. Let it finish loading the database. Then also I'm going to set where the database will come from here. Manassas PC, Windows authentication. You can see this is Microsoft SQL Server. Database is pharmacy. Then okay. Then it's going to load everything. And the dashboard we have here, you'll see the customers, top 10 items bought. This is the average sales of everything, the graphs, quarterly sales, and the transaction types, maybe credits and everything from the walk away customer, that's through the POS and all that. So in this part, master module, you can set your business information, the company owner, phone number, email, GSTIN, PAN, and everything, location. Yeah, so that's about business setup. Your warehouses, the ones you have, maybe you have multiple warehouses, you can add them here. You can also search them here. Main shop, yes, that's the search. You can also set up the banks that you are using, and the account numbers connected to your business. And also you can set up the vendors who supply items to your warehouse, to your pharmacy. Also you can set up your loyal customers. Maybe you are also a supplier to some other pharmacies or other shops, other hospitals. You can also set your customers here, their information and everything. Also item company, you can select which company supplies a certain product. So you can set up this is just a basic input of the company that's supplying items to you. Also items package type, you can set it there. The items, you can view them here and also update them, print all of them with this one. Alarm quantity, you can set up a lot of details here. So batch number, item name, short name, package type, category, company that supplied. You remember when you are setting up the item company here, so you're going to select that product, it is from which company, through this part. Selling price, selling percentage, and everything. You can basically edit anything. So this is the items part, editing. Also currency, you can use multi-currency with this system. You can either bill in this case I've set to use US dollars. There is Kenyan shillings. Also you can add US, another one to transact with. That's the currency. You can set the currency rates. Like $1 it is how many shillings, 1 shilling is how many dollars, and so on and so forth. Your currencies can be converted there. Also, you can manage your employees information. Your employees database is also here. You can also set everyone, you can add them there, but this one, they are not the users, these are the employees of the company. Also, you can set doctor specialty. You have a dentist, you have a you have a dentist, you have someone to do with eyes, and the rest surgeons. Also, doctor profiles, you can set them here. Who are they, and the specialty, all that you can set them there. Also, other companies, maybe your partners that you are working together in your company, you will set them here. So these are the contributors, maybe, and so on and so forth. I'm done with the master module. Let's go to the other module, transaction module. We can set the opening stock for the item and the rate and the everything, batch number, and so that's for the opening stock. Purchase invoice, this is the layout for the purchase invoice. You can see it is quite informative. Yeah, you can see total and everything, discounts and also everything, invoice type, original, and after every transaction you can print the receipt, the report also. Yeah, that's the purchase return. This is the purchase return. Also, sales invoice, this is it. You can see also it is very informative. Sales return, also informative. This is the POS. Now this is the point of sale. In this part you can see the size is a bit small. I'm using a high resolution screen, that's why you can see it's somehow small, but in common cases, POS screens, they use smaller screens, lower resolution screens. That's why. But now this POS interface will fit in that screen, don't worry about that. So this is the POS. You can sell to customer, maybe referred by who, doctor's percentage, all that. The product filters, you can add them here. If he or she is a walk away customer, no need to fill some of the details here, just move us and going. So open cash drawer. Also, you can send quotations to specific customers or maybe companies. Stock adjustment, you can update the quantity of some products with one click. Also, you can update the expiry date of products, in this case, the medicine itself. Yeah, also you can carry out warehouse transfers from one shop to another one. Like in this case, you can see we are from main shop to warehouse, that warehouse. Then you can proceed with the item name and everything. Now it will list everything. That's basically about warehouse transfer. Also, about the reports, you can see the reports, purchase invoice report, purchase return, sales report. You can see all these, the reports, printable sales, stock adjustment reports, analyze reports. This is the item wise total report. These are now like the graphs. Also, I don't have any data at the moment, so you can see this is it, the graphs. So visitors reports, stock report, you can also check it there. For a certain warehouse, maybe you can select all of them, you see the reports, then you submit, it's going to show you there. Then tax reports, purchase tax report, sales tax report. Yeah, that's about the reports. Let's go to the next menu item, that's accounting module. So you can manage your debits here. You can see everything there. Vendor credit, you can set it there. Customer credit, it's also included there. Customer debit, add it there. Cash entry, also you can add it there, the cash that you have. Also bank transactions, you can also carry them from this part. The cash in, cash out, narration and everything, which bank you are transacting with, yes, and the reports. Vendor ledger report, vendor ledger total reports. These are now the reports for the accountings and everything. So you can see also the POS is a bit detailed when it comes to reporting and everything. You can also for the multi-currency. So that's about the accounting. You can go to the alerts module. Nearly expiry items, you can see them here, the ones that are almost to expire. Expired items, you can view them also there. Zero stock items, the ones that they have run out in all the warehouses, or maybe one warehouse. Also less quantity items, you'll see them here. Also you can print the reports and everything there. Items not sold, also you can watch them from here. Low credit customers, also you can manage them from there. So you can see them and also print a report about them. You can go to the expense module, the expense type, maybe employee salary, electricity bills, water bills, all that, cleaning expenses, expense voucher. You can also add it there, manage them from here, from which bank, all that. Currency exchange, you can draw to bank, all those transactions, bank to bank transactions. That's also about the currency exchange, because some banks they sell maybe a specific currency at a certain rate, which that they don't buy again. So you're going to manage everything from there about the expense. So the reports, you will see about the reports for the expense here. Employee salary report, also view it from there. Employee name, everything there. Also the administration module, can manage the users. These the people who are going to use the system. You can see the admin, the operator, that's the cashier. Here are the roles. Also clear transaction data, you can clear master data, change default currency, also you can set it there. Backup database, and finally you can restore the database. That's basically a walkthrough about this system. And if you want anything, feel free to ask me in the comment section, so that I can help you in anything that you want. Also in this part, let me log out, then log in as another user, so that you can see the cashier is restricted from using some of the features the system has. So we give it some time to load the database, then we set. So also after you log in as the cashier, you can also view the dashboard tables and the graphs, and also all that. Also you can see as cashier, you are limited to using some of the things here, like opening stock. That's only for the admin. Purchase invoice, that one can be used. Purchase return, also that one is for the cashier. Sales invoice, sales return, point of sale, that's for the cashier. Also sending quotations, it can be done with the cashier. Alerts module, the cashier is also allowed to view the items, so that to know how to deal with them, or maybe alert the admin about the items. And the administration module, he or she can't access the users, but he or she can back up the database, and she can restore the database also. So that's about the cashier part. It is that simple and that straightforward. So that's the end of this video walkthrough about the pharmacy point of sale. This is Technify Kenya. You can see we developed this system. This is our support number. You can call us about if you need any inquiry information about this POS or anything else. Just call us with that number, and we will assist. Thank you.